guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. So festive season is around and I decided of making a bit different video. It's not going to be a makeup tutorial video, but I wanted to talk about couple of products that you can use and add in your makeup routine to change the whole game of your makeup for this festive season, because festivals are around and who doesn't want to dress up and who doesn't want to look their best during this season. So that's why I have decided to shoot a video today. I'm going to talk about 3 tips and tricks, 3 products basically that you can add to your makeup kit to change the whole makeup game, and this is what the final result looks like. So I hope you like this final look, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. And I want to mention it ऐसे ही पहले कि guys, this is super simple, super easy, and it is not going to be a rocket science. So even if you are a beginner, please continue watching this video because you are going to get a lot of inputs from me and you're gonna be able to do everything that I have done, because this is absolutely no rocket science. It's super simple. Now, okay, so let's get started. As you guys know, I don't like putting a lot of makeup, so even when it comes to festive season, I like to put something really natural yet glowy. That's something that I really look forward to, and in today's video I'm going to use literally very few products. So even in today's video I'm going to create a look that is wearable. Anybody can wear it, and even if it's in the afternoon time or the night time. So now, without wasting any further time, let's dive right into it. So of course, the first thing that I've done is I've done my full skincare. I've applied a good moisturizer and I've let it dry for some time. It is nicely absorbed into my skin because I don't do my makeup without I apply a moisturizer. So that's a suggestion for you guys. Also, do apply a moisturizer, and I have also applied a lip balm, and now we are ready to put some makeup on our face. So the very first step is to use a strobe cream. Now the one that I have with me is by Lotus Makeup, and this is the Lotus Herbal Makeup. This is their probe cream, and this is a wonderful product, and it is a very good trick if you want a very nice yet natural glow on your face. Using this strobe cream has helped me achieve that, because I just apply it a little bit here and on top of my nose, the wala line, and then I apply my regular, if I want to apply a normal foundation, which I hardly do, I usually go for a compact, and I use this underneath, and it gives me a very natural glow. Another tip that I can suggest you guys, if you are using foundation in your makeup routine, then you can mix this in the foundation and then apply it all over your face instead of applying just on your high points of the face. That also gives a very natural effect, and it really makes the whole, it basically improves and steps up the makeup game of yours. It adds a very natural glow. So this one, first of all, the packaging is really nice. It's so sleek and high class, and I really like the color of this. This one is something that you can afford because the strobe creams are usually very expensive, but this one is just for $5.25 and you get 15 gram of the product. Now 15 gram for a strobe cream is a lot because you don't apply too much. Inside this carton you get this is the tube that you get, which I again really like because this is a tube, so it's very easy to carry and it's also very easy to apply. You're traveling in festive season, you have no worries because the tube is small, compact, and it is a tube, so it's very easy to use. Another thing that I really like about this strobe cream is the fact that it's very easy to blend and the particles in this are not that chunky or huge. One ingredient that really took me by surprise was to see mulberry extracts in this product. Now mulberry extract is actually known for giving you a natural glow as is. So seeing that in a strobe cream made me feel like, really the glow would be natural, and it really has. I will show you the texture of it. Okay, so this is how the cream looks like. And if you see it very closely, right, you cannot see any chunky glitter particles, which is the best part of it, because I don't like too much chunks on my face. Aisa glittery nahi lagna chahiye. The glow has to be natural, and that's what I really like. If you blend this, very easy to blend, also very moisturizing, I would say. Like after blending it, I don't feel like कि बहुत कुछ अलग सा लगा रखा है face पे. It just blends in very naturally. So I really like this. So let me blend it on my hands first. So you see the glow, the difference. it just makes your skin very dewy and nice, and no external chunky particles. That's the best part, right? Because stroke creams में generally अगर आप affordable section में जाएंगे, so you will see something that has a lot of glitters, which doesn't blend, which becomes a problem for me because I like something very natural on my face and I really love the effect that it gives me. So this is what we are going to use. Also, if you want, you can apply it anywhere else also. I like using it, if it's a daytime, I like using it only on the high end or high points of my face. However, you can just apply it all over your face also a little bit. It really is so natural that it doesn't look bad at all. See, it's so easy to blend and seamlessly it has blended with the skin, which I really like. Love this stroke cream. Now on top of this, you can do anything. If you want to apply a foundation, you can apply it. You can blend your, you can mix your stroke cream with the foundation, or you can apply a compact and then you can continue with your makeup. In today's video, it's not going to be a detailed step-by-step makeup routine, but there are certain products that I wanted to talk about that can really change the game of your makeup, one of which was a stroke cream, and I wanted to let you guys know that this is something, a very easy trick that you can use and change your whole festive makeup look. Now step 2, or the product 2 that I want to talk about, after you have done your base, whatever you want to do, compact, foundation, whatever you want to do, if you want to do something with your eyes, whatever it is, once you are done with that, the second product that I want to mention about is this sketch liner by Lotus Herbal Makeup. Again, the packaging is very similar, purple in color, which I really like the whole packaging gives me the product is very high end, very sturdy packaging, and the product inside it that you get is this liner. This is again in the same color. Now what's great about this product is the fact that this comes in a sketch, so it's friendly for beginners, someone who's experienced, everyone, and it is jet black in color. So this is what I wanted to talk about, that any festive look, when you are doing a festive look, when you do a good jet black liner, then it basically defines your eyes really well and it highlights the eyes, which makes the whole makeup look very, very nice and attractive. Usually in the daytime when I'm doing my makeup on a regular basis, I don't use a jet black liner. I would rather go for something brown and something very smudgy look. But if I'm getting ready for a festival, then I definitely do want to apply a black liner. And I know that a lot of people struggle with the liner, so this is the best part of this product, that this is a sketch product. It's very easy to use and I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to apply a liner over here and then I'll show you how much of a difference does a liner make. This product comes for $7.45 and it is 1 ml, which is a very good quantity, by the way. And also I want to show you that this liner is super jet black. See, it's so intense and it's so dark in color, highly pigmented, which I really like, because when I apply it in one stroke also, full nice black color comes out, which just changes the look entirely. So that's what we are going to do next. Perfect. The applicator, basically it's so good that you can actually get into the inner corner of your eyes and complete the entire look. If you want to keep it half, you can do that. Basically you can play with the line as you want. It's very easy to make a wing also. I like to keep my liner like this. Some people like wings also. It's very easy to make a wing with this liner, so really like that. So this is the difference that you'll see when you're applying black liners. It just changes the entire look. This one looks very tired and not so ready. It basically gives a complete look of the eye makeup. So this is a difference. Even if you don't apply any shadow, I think do not miss out on a black liner, and this is a very good product to go for, because it's a sketch liner, very, very highly pigmented and very easy to use, and the applicator is so that it's very sturdy. It's not too fragile, too sturdy, ekdam beech mein hai, so very easy to sort of make any shape that you want. Also, one thing that I want to talk about Lotus makeup, basically these are 100% vegetarian. It has 97% of the natural makeup, and also it's 100% vegan. It's cruelty free, so it's lovely because it's affordable and has all these great qualities. And I think the quality of the products are also great, so definitely check out these products. And with this note, we are going to complete this eye. Now that we are done with almost all the steps, the last step that is left, which basically changes the entire makeup look, and that is using a lipstick. So again, I have this lipstick by Lotus Herbal Makeup. This is their Silk Touch Matte Lip Color. It is a bullet lipstick, and it has olive butter in it, which basically gave me the idea that this lipstick should be really, really nourishing. And guess what? It is, which is what I really want, because I'm a dry skin family and I always want lipsticks that nourishes my lips very well so that I do not feel uncomfortable. Again, the packaging is of the same format. It is in purple, packaging, and the lipstick looks like this. It's very sturdy, very high class, very nice, and the color coding is over here, so it's very easy to spot in your collection if you have multiple. The price for this is $6.95 and you get 4.2 grams of the product. Lipstick mein 4.2 gram milna is a lot. You're gonna use this forever. The trick or the thing that I wanted to mention कि मैंने ये 3 products क्यों बोले. So the strobe cream basically adds to the glow. The liner adds to the whole definition, adds a definition to your whole makeup. Festive season में ये चीज़ें अगर हम ध्यान रखें तो हमारा makeup look इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बहुत change हो सकता है. And उसी तरह the selection of the lip color for your makeup makes a lot of difference, right? Everybody wants to, people probably, there could be 2 types of people. Somebody who wants something very natural, some people who go beyond being natural, but har jagah everybody wants to look colorful. So the color of the lip shade that you select is very, very important, and the color that I have with me is Nude Nature. Now this is a Nude Nature name, but it is a lipstick that's dark but not like too much on the face, because I'm someone who prefers natural look, right? So red, of course you can go for reds and all, but people like me, we don't like going for reds that often. And for us to select a good lipstick which is not very nude but not too much also beach mein is something that I really recommend, and I think it's a bit difficult for people to figure out which lipstick really does the job, and this shade really does the job. So this is how the lipstick looks like, and I really like the fact that पीछे में जो coordination है और ये जो color है are almost similar. It's not like कि पीछे जो color coding है और जो lipstick का product निकल रहा है एकदम ही अलग है. That's not like that. And I'm gonna swatch it over here. So you see the single stroke, you get such beautiful pigmentation, which is the best, and it has olive butter in it, which I'm telling again and again because for me the lipstick shouldn't make my lips go dry, so I really appreciate that, and it is very nourishing. तो और दूसरी बात ये है कि since it's a bullet lipstick, it's very easy to reapply also, तो सारे problems solve हो जाते हैं. And even though it's very nourishing, it's not like a shiny lipstick, it's not like a gloss finish, it is a matte finish lipstick. I love matte finishes, and that's why I really want to highlight this point that even though it is a bullet lipstick, it is a matte finish lipstick. So I'm gonna put this lipstick and we're going to finish this look super soon. So this is what the pigmentation comes out to be when you apply one stroke of the lipstick, which I think is bomb. I think the pigmentation is bomb, and it's such a beautiful shade, something very different from what I usually use, but I'm very happy that I did give it a try. Also, there's a small tip from me. So if you're wearing Indian, I think bindi is a lot of in fashion, and if you don't have bindi with you, you can actually use this sketch to create that bindi because it's so easy to use. So I'm gonna do that. And there you go, you're ready to enjoy this festive season, and you're ready to glow in this festive season. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very happy. And a very happy festive season to all of you. Enjoy all the festivals, get ready like this. I'll be up soon in my next video. Till the time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful, stay happy, and a very, 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 very happy festive season to all of you. Bye, namaste.